All right, so we haven't got the bench. You're at home. What are we going to use? We've got a chair. So we're going to use some home furniture. Now, this one I'm going to show you how to do some variations of dips for the back of your arms. All right, so if you've got them floppy bingo wings, this is great. Even if you want to develop your tricep, this is another good way of doing it, so there's no excuses. So normal standard chair. Make sure it's a heavy one. You don't want a skinny plastic one, which goes outside on the patio. They're not good at all. They're just going to slide and you're going to fall. So make sure it's a sturdy chair. So what I'm going to do, sit first, and put my hands here. Now you can do them this way. You can do them that way. It'll activate both sides of the tricep. So if you're not good at this, or it's your first attempt and you're not strong, this is the best way to do it. And I'll show you the stages of this, right? So we're going to come up. Now, bring your feet out. See where my feet are out? And we're going to come down. Try and get 90 degrees on the elbows. Now, because my feet are in this position, it's going to take quite a bit of my weight. All right, so you haven't got much weight on your arms. Now, again, depending on what you want, for me, 12 to 15 reps. If you want to lose weight and you want to shape, then go up to 25s. And if you can do 25s, you do what you can do and you build up to these reps, all right? So you write your goals down. This is very important. You need a plan of action, okay? Now, if I put my feet further out, it's going to push more weight on my triceps, right? So like this. So if I put my weight like this, my legs straight, now already I've got an increase of weight. All the way down. That'll increase the weight. And if you raise your legs, if you put another chair in front of you, I don't have another chair in this studio. If you put a chair in front of you, the same level, you can put your feet on there. This would be more advanced, and you're going to take the whole of your weight, more or less. And if you get to that point, that's a fabulous, fabulous result. Good job. Chair, triceps.